Okay guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial I will show you how to set an email account on your Android. You want to add an email account on your Android, you go to your settings, you go to your account, Google account. You can see Google account here. You can see, click on your Google account. You click on your Google account, you can just manage your Google account here, but I have another account here. Click here and you can add another account. When you add another account, it's going to take you directly to your Google. So Google is going to verify if it is you. Just use your password to continue. Use your password to continue. Google is checking your info. You click on your email that you wanted to add. When you click on the email that you wanted to add, I'll just click on one random email. Now I've already used it. Click on next. You can see they say that this account already exists on your device. So once you put the email you want to use, just click on next. It's going to bring you to another ask. Let me see, or you could click on create account. You can also create account here. So for personal use, for work, for my business, you can click on for personal use, and this is it. You're going to create a Google account, link to your phone, and it's very easy. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment. Okay guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook event. Dive in, open your Facebook. When you open your Facebook, click on this menu button here. When you click on this menu button here, you will see event. Click on event. When you click on event, click on this plus menu button to create a new event. Name the event. Let's name the event to Happy Day. You click, you set the time here. When you set the time, is it person? I think it is visual or physical learning on or physical event or virtual. And virtual means, is it Facebook live, is it external link? If it is Facebook live, click on Facebook live. If it is an external link, provide the link here. And if it is other, you can provide it here. But I'm going to click on Facebook live now. You click on done. Who can see it? You can set, you can see it. If it is private, which is only people who you are invited will be able to join the event, or public. So I'm going to click on public, which is anyone on or off Facebook will be able to see my event. You click on done. Once you click on done, what are the details? You can write the details of the event to show people how my happy day is all about. You can see, if you want to add a co-host, you can add. If you want to chat with guests, you own it. If you want to add additional settings, you can click in and you click on create event, and my event is creating now automatically. Alright, say your event has been created. Well done. So if you want to invite people, just click on invite. But I'm not going to invite any people here, so I'll just click on this star button, and my event is what it has been published. So this is how you do it. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.